O-Level Biology 5090, Chapter 16, Development of Organisms and Continuity of Life, Part 3, Sexual Reproduction in Plants continued. In the previous video, we had discussed the sexual reproduction in plants, and we know that sexual reproduction is actually the fusion of male and female gametes. And as a result of fusion of male and female gametes, there is formation of zygote, and zygote after further cell divisions is changed into an embryo. And we know that seed is the dormant embryo. And then we know that the ovary wall is changed into fruit. Now the dispersion of these fruits and seeds is compulsory. So the sum of fruits and seeds which are brightly colored, they have fragrance, they are sweet in taste, they are juicy in nature. So animals attract themselves towards these types of fruits. They eat them, but they are unable to digest the seeds. Seeds are undigestible. So the seeds are excreted through their feces. So when these seeds find suitable place, suitable environmental temperature, they find water, then they start germination. And the example of these types of fruits and vegetables are tomatoes, mangoes, berries, etc. Now the seeds which are dispersed by wind. So the seeds which are dispersed by wind, they are light in weight, they are greater in number, they are very small in size, small in size, because they have to float with the wind and they have to reach to far off places. So during their journey, most of the seeds are wasted. So they should be light in weight, greater in number, and small in size. Then in this way, they will float with the air or the wind. They will reach to a place where the environment is suitable for their germination. They will germinate over there. Otherwise, they will be wasted. Most of the seeds are wasted in this way. So the greater number is required for the seeds which are dispersed by the wind. So here I would like to give an example of dandelion and you can say cotton seeds. So all they are dispersed by wind. Now the dispersal of seeds is very important for the survival of plant species. If plants grow too closely together, if the plants are going very close to each other, so their competition for light, water, and nutrients will increase. So, due to only the plants which will win this competition, they will survive, and other plants will not survive and they will not be there for this germination. So, seed dispersal allow plants to spread out from a wide area and wide competing with one another for the same resources. So when they are not very close to the parent plants, they are at different areas, they are becoming the part of the different areas, then their chances of survival will be increased. And the in the next video, we are going to discuss the same advantages of seed dispersal, that is they escape from density or distance dependent seed and seeding mortality. So they are not present as a place where there is too much density of the plants, so they will move to far over places, they will find a proper place to germinate. By colonization of suitable sites unpredictable in space and time, and by directed dispersal to particular sites with a relatively high probability of survival. So when they reach at a place where there is the environmental temperature, environmental conditions are suitable for their germination, they will grow at those places, and they will make their own population over there in those areas where there are very less plants. So in this way, they are able to colonize the more areas. Now, the conditions which are necessary for the germination of seeds are water, oxygen, and temperature or warmth. So these are the conditions which should be fulfilled. If they are not any one of missing, then the seed germination will not take place. First of all, the water. Why water is necessary? You know, this when the seed starts germination, they need water. Then what will happen? This water will make soft their seed water testa, and the seed germination will be start in this way. And oxygen is necessary for the process of respiration, and as a result of respiration, energy can be obtained for germination. And a suitable temperature or warmth is required to work efficiently. You know, the enzymes work best in the optimum temperature of 35 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade. So this temperature is required for the best activation of the enzymes for the process of germination. Now, the process of germination, how do the germination take place? If the environmental conditions are suitable for the germination of seeds, then when seeds are in the soil, they absorb the water from the soil, and then their seed coat and testa will become very soft. And then, you know, the different parts of the seeds, the plumule and radicle will start germinating a new root. And these cotyledons are there. Cotyledons will have the nutrients and enzymes. So these nutrients will be broken down with the help of the enzyme, that is the carbohydrates or the starch will be broken down with the help of amylase, protein with the help of or amino acids with the help of protease, and if fats are present, they will be with the help of lipase. So in this way, different enzymes are present in the cotyledons. So they are activated when water is absorbed by the seeds, and then these enzymes will start breakdown of these nutrients, and these nutrients are needed to get energy for germination. So the part which is called as radicle, it will start to make new root, and then plumule, which is start the new shoot. So when the root and shoot are formed, the plants are getting nutrients and the energy from the cotyledon, but when there is the formation of new leaves, which are called as foliage leaf. So when the foliage leaves are there, the plants start the process of photosynthesis. Now there is no use of these cotyledons, as plants have used all nutrients which were present in these cotyledons. Now they are making their own food with the help of photosynthesis. So in this way, these small seedlings or small plants, after many growth and development, they will change into a large proper plant. So in this way, the germination of the seeds takes place. So it was all about the part 3. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching my video.